Hi, my name is Douglas Ribeiro, and today I will be present um, the memory experiment, which we call false memory. This is a cognitive psychology class for the applied cognition and neuroscience at the University of Texas at Dallas. We're going to have two experiments. In this experiment, the questions matter. During the test, a list of words will be mentioned, and participant must write down all the words they remember. The participant will have 15 seconds to recollect the words. In these two experiments that by the participant, which called Regina, she was submitted by these two experiments, and she had a misinformation fact, which is a part of false memory. Some thoughts that it's important for this presentation. Can people tell whether a particular memory is true or false? And tell the difference between true and false memories is one of the biggest challenge in memory research. Let's go and discuss a little bit what is memory. Memory refers to the psychological process of acquiring, storing, retaining, and retrieving information. Memory involves three major processes: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Human memory involves the ability to both preserve and recover information. However, this is not a flawless process. Sometimes people forget or misremember things. Other times, information is not correctly encoded in memory in the first place. This is an example of what happened during the experiment. The participant was not able to recognize two words in the experiment number two. So this is an example of a memory, how memory works. Memory can be remarkable, good, although fallible. In memory, we forgot more than computers, but retain what is essential for life, valuable rather than unimportant details. Memory is not a single simple system; is extremely complex. Um, there are several types of memory: short-term memory, long-term memory, work memory, sensory memory, and false memory. That is the main subject of our presentation, of my presentation. What is the difference between false memory and delusion? As I previously said, recognizing and recollecting events not previously encountered. This is a normal part of the human memory. One word has the power to rewrite a memory. Misinformation fact can happen because we can never recall memory perfectly. Memory manipulation can occur in this process because new information from a trustworthy source can be reshape the memory based on these details. In addition, false recall can happen because of childhood experience and traumas. It does not necessarily happen with false memories, but probate recall can happen. Memory illusion is inability to recognize or recollect previously encountered events. Memory illusion is not a disorder. It is essential to differentiate memory illusion than amnesia. Some common false memory: déjà vu, jamais vu, déjà vu, entendu, déjà vu, already seen, never seen, already heard. Some studies on false memory, some research have argued that the phenomenology of false memory is different from the true memories. Most studies on false memory involve short time frames, and false memories that are neither very complex nor particularly emotional. Research shows that methodologies that use longer encoding periods, repetition, emotion, and a lot of details and the complexity create false memory and feel and look more real. Um, the person recalling a false memory believes that they are assessing a real memory. Um, a false memory and confabulations have abnormal sense of certainty for their recollection, and neuroanatomical finds implicate decreased activity in the ventral medial frontal lobe. Take home message: we must emphasize that having a false memory is standard. This is not a problem or even mental illness. False memory is a part of a memory system that we constantly use to recall events that happened in the past, events that happened in the past. However, it is essential to remember that we cannot judge others without facts. False memory studies allow us to think and study before decide. Life stories are based on decisions that we make every day. These decisions will impact our personal lives and the others around us. Do not decide without facts or data. Make decision based on emotional feelings can be a huge mistake. False memory studies have proved that the best decisions in life are made when humans think clearly. The conclusion of this presentation: false memories is still a challenge to understand fully. Memory studies are fascinating, although complex. The involvement of psychiatrists and neurologists has increased, and neuroscience as well in this field contribute to the memory studies. Moreover, the development of models has also increased and brought significant contributions to memory studies. Thank you.